Thomas Keller's Ad Hoc fried chicken is a cult classic, built on technique, timing, and a whole lot of care. Today we're recreating that magic at home. The brine, the buttermilk, the dredge, and that unforgettable crispy finish. When Thomas Keller writes a recipe, he's teaching you how to cook, not just to follow steps. So I'm walking you through the original Ad Hoc at-home method, page by page, technique by technique, to show how approachable this legendary fried chicken really is. This is the foundation, beautifully cut chicken, ready for a good long brine. Let's build flavor from the inside out. Keller's brine is what separates good fried chicken from unforgettable fried chicken. Water meets lemon. Garlic. Thyme. Peppercorns. Bay leaves. Salt. Parsley. And just a touch of honey. Each ingredient is deliberate, building layers of savory, citrus, herb-driven depth. Once everything hits the pot, bring it to a simmer and extract the aromatics, then let it cool completely. Into a labeled Cambro it goes. Once chilled, this becomes the flavor bath that transforms simple chicken into Ad Hoc chicken. A whole bird gives you the best mix of textures, light and dark, lean and rich. Thighs and legs come off first. Then the backbone, and then the breasts. The breastbone and ribs follow. And the wings finish the breakdown. 10 pieces in total. Classic Ad Hoc style. Everything sinks into cool brine for a full 12-hour soak. And just like at the restaurant, the chicken rests overnight, letting that seasoned broth work all the way to the bone. Day of prep is all about texture and timing. Out of the brine, the chicken gets thoroughly dried. This is key for crispiness. Keller's dredge is simple. Flour kissed with paprika, cayenne pepper, onion and garlic powders, black pepper and salt. Mixed well, then divided into 2 pans for a double dredge. Buttermilk gets its own pan, seasoned just enough to support the crust. And here's the classic Ad Hoc lineup: dredge, buttermilk, dredge. The cookbook stays close because today we're cooking straight from the master. Into the oil at 350. Every piece begins the same way. Flour, buttermilk to flour, then straight into the fryer. Legs go first, frying to a perfect golden crisp before resting on a wire rack. Thighs follow, juicy and rich, hitting that ideal 165-degree finish. Then Keller's signature herb fry brings it all together. Rosemary and thyme crackling in hot oil, releasing their aromas over every piece. A final sprinkle of salt, and this is the moment the kitchen smells like Ad Hoc. If you're enjoying these deep dives into iconic dishes, I'd love for you to subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and it truly means a lot to me. Hit thumbs up, turn on notifications, and join me in the kitchen for more adventures. Light, fragrant, unbelievably crisp. This is pure Ad Hoc magic. Thanks for joining us today on Glass Plate and Beyond.